नमस्ते फ्रेंड, आप सभी का एक बार फिर से स्वागत है। और 31 अगस्त को AIBPRC ने एक सर्कुलर जारी किया है, महासंग्राम फॉर द अपडेशन ऑफ पेंशन, नेशनल धरना एट जंतर मंतर ऑन 23 अक्टूबर 24। यह आह्वान किया है कि 23 अक्टूबर को महासंग्राम होगा, यानी कि बैंक पेंशनर्स के लिए यह धरना का प्रोग्राम आयोजित किया गया है। सब्जेक्ट है preparation on the part of affiliates and state committees of AIBPRC for making the centralized Dharna program at Jantar Mantar, Delhi on 23rd October 24 at the call of CBPRO, a grand and thundering success। और इसके बारे में वो डिटेल सर्कुलर है, और सर्कुलर का जो मुख्य जिस्ट है मैं आपको बताता हूँ। Comrades, we shall make the Dharna memorable and a massive event। Our sustained campaign for updation of pension, along with our other demands from the inception of AIBPRC in 2012, has brought enormous reliefs to bank pensioners and retirees, like family pension improvement, 100% DA utilization to pre-November 2002 retirees, improvement in ex gratia for pre-1986 retirees, pension option to resignee, and other improvements. We successfully articulated Pension Regulation 35(1) on updation of pension, entitling pension updation as a statutory provision legally enforceable, which has been even made the rigid of IBA to admit, when our delegation met them on October 22, that despite there being the provision for updation of Pension Regulation 35(1) in Bank Employees Pension Regulation 1995, they are unable to make U-turn due to their stated position to the contrary before the Supreme Court. Unfortunately, IBA is taking shelter by citing matter sub judice, though they very well know that with mutual consent out of the court, settlement is a permissible and available desirable option. Reknocking of a special allowance component of our pension, gratuity and new pension scheme is another important issue which has to be taken to its logical conclusion and resolved. We have to resolve the gratuity issue, commutation issue, inconsistencies in the option for pension to resignee, and more important, one more option for pension to the left out retirees as a one-time measure. Proper medical relief whereby the banks absorb the insurance premium as is done in the case of serving employee and whole-time board level appointees. In one more issue agitating the pensioner and retirees। और इस सब के लिए डिमांड के लिए 23 अक्टूबर को महासंग्राम धरने का आयोजन जंतर मंतर पे किया गया है। कॉमरेड्स, लेट अस मार्च ऑन होल्डिंग आवर हेड हाई, राइजिंग आवर वॉइस, दिल्ली चलो धरना करो। थैंक यू फ्रेंड्स, नमस्ते।